I have a very beautiful gift for you, and that is the tutorial of this very attractive wire ring with lapis lazuli stone. But you could use any other colors of a stick stone. We have the tutorial and pendant of this very beautiful wire ring on the link above. And what we need: wire of about 0.5 millimeter and also 1 millimeter thick, a ring mandrel is needed, and also stick a stone of lapis lazuli or any other kinds. What is your favorite kind of stone? Just comment it below. Round nose pliers, chain nose pliers, and wire cutter is also needed. First of all, pick up your ring mandrel and one of your previous wire rings, and then you could just put it onto the ring mandrel and mark the ring size. Or another way I have for you, just pick up a paper tape, open it up, and just wrap it all around the finger that you are going to make the ring for, and just wrap it one round all around and then cut it out. This is the length that you need, and you are going to wrap it all around the ring mandrel, and where the start and ending point of this paper tape meet each other is the perfect place on the ring mandrel. Also, we could use this paper tape and put it on our 1 millimeter thick wire and just measure twice and a half of this length, and then cut it out with a wire cutter. Put the ring mandrel on this wire somewhere at the middle, and then wrap it all around the place that you had marked as your ring size. Continue that for the second row, and somewhere here at the middle our stone is going to be placed. Pick up your thinner wire and cut it out in about 5 or 6 centimeters, and then insert the stick stone into that wire. But before we attach this to the main frame, we need to make two little swirl shapes at both sides of the wire at the start and ending point. Just pick up your round nose pliers and make a very little loop at both ends, just like this. Pay attention at the movement of my hand, and here we have two straight wires with rounded ends, but this is not going to be like this. I am going to use my round nose pliers to make more curves on both sides, above and bottom, and both rows, just like this. And this is ready for the stone to be kept at the middle, and we are going to make two wire coiling parts at both sides. So with your round nose pliers, make a very little U shape with the thinner wire and just insert it into the ring, and then pull it, and repeat that for at least 3 or 4 times to have two little wire coiling parts at two sides. And don't forget to squeeze it and to push the ending parts. And that's it. Our very beautiful wire ring is ready. Did you like this very easy but beautiful Hawaii ring? If so, please comment it below. Your opinions is so precious for me, and I hope you had enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much. Take care and bye bye.